Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Trust Wallet in Binance. First, download the Trust Wallet app from your App Store. Next, create your new wallet and carefully write down your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for accessing your funds, so keep it safe. We will then explore how to link this secure, decentralized wallet with your Binance account for seamless crypto management. Setting up your Trust Wallet is straightforward. After installing the app, simply tap on Create a New Wallet. You'll need to agree to the terms of service to proceed. The most critical step is backing up your 12-word recovery phrase. Write it down on paper and store it in a safe, private place. Never share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your digital assets. Now, let's connect your Trust Wallet to Binance. Open your Binance app and go to the Wallet section. When you're ready to transfer funds, select Withdraw and choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to move. In your Trust Wallet, find the receiving address for that same crypto. Copy this address carefully and paste it into the Withdrawal Address field on Binance. Double-check the address before confirming your transaction. For secure transfers, always double-check the receiving address in your Trust Wallet before confirming any transaction on Binance. A small mistake can lead to irreversible loss of funds. It's a good practice to start with a small test transfer, perhaps just $10 or $20, to ensure everything works perfectly. This gives you peace of mind before moving larger amounts. Also, for all you avid readers, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Happy trading and reading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.